Hey everyone, it's Nahar Geva here, the CEO and founder of ZIK Analytics, and I have a big announcement to do for the ZIK members and the eBay sellers who are using ZIK. We've been working hard and developing an upgraded version for the eBay competitor research tool. It's just been launched. It has multiple upgrades that can really help you with your process of finding winning products and analyzing your competitors. So let's go over those updates and see how they can help you. We are here starting from the dashboard of ZIK Analytics. I will hit here the competitor research tool. The competitor research tool allows you to basically uncover any eBay seller, best-selling items, and stats, right? You go ahead here and you search here for any eBay seller you want. You just type the name here, click the search button. We'll go back to the Market Insights and we'll just pick a random seller from here. Let's go for this seller. Now, we analyze this seller here. As you can see, his name appears here on the search bar, and now we're immediately getting the results. The first upgrade we did was to show you what supplier the dropshipper sellers are using. So on the left side here, you can see this seller is a dropshipper. You can see the dropshipping sign, and you can see the supplier sign, the Amazon logo in this case, and it says Amazon dropshipper. If the seller is using Amazon, Walmart, or AliExpress, you will be able to see what suppliers they are using. Update number 2, which is also the major update, is adding multiple time frame to the results. If you remember before, you could only see either 30 days, 7 days, 14 days, or 21 days. Now you can see up to 3 time frames at the same time. Clicking here on the sales date, you just pick the time frame you want to see. So I picked 30 days, 14 days, and 7 days. And when scrolling down to the results, you will see the data of those products when it was uploaded, 7-day sales, 14-day sales, 30-day sales, and total sold. So now you can get a bigger perspective on the demand. Is it a product that is just recently start selling? Is it a product that's been selling consistently for the last 30 days? And you will be able to make better decisions and add more data layers to your decision making. Now, what's the next update? The next update is just a small one, changing the name of sales earning to revenue, just to make it clear for everyone. And the last update is also very useful in terms of workflows, and I'm going back to the competitor research page, and it's basically putting all the streamlined management in one place. You can see here your search history, you can see the store, the country, the search date, the feedback, how many active listings, the last 30 days sales, and the last 30 days revenue. Gives you insights about the last sellers you searched. If you want to analyze them, you either click here or click on the detective icon. Then the waiting list. If seller is not in our database, it will appear in the waiting list. I'm going to show you now how it looks. Alright, so here I have a seller that is not in our database, and once you search a seller that is not yet in our database, it will go to the waiting list. As you can see here, in the waiting list, it shows in progress. Once the data collection finished, it will turn into a green V check, and you will be able to analyze these results. Before the upgrade, the waiting list was in a different page. Now you have all in one place on the competitor research page. All you need to do is switch between those tabs. And the last tabs that we added here is the watch list. All the sellers that you save to your own list, you can see them here. You don't need to go to a separate page. Plus, we added more data. You can see feedback, active listings, last 30 days sales, last 30 days revenue, and the comment that you left. If you want to know how to save sellers, it's pretty simple. We will analyze one random seller here. And then all you need to do is click add to watch list. You give your comment and you save this competitor. And then if you go back to the competitor research page, to the watch list, you can see here this seller was saved, right? And then the next time you come, you can go ahead and search it. So what we did, we took the waiting list, we took the watch list, we put it all together in one place, plus we gave you a search history, and on top of this we added a lot of data, like feedbacks, active listings, sales, 30-day sales, and revenue 30 days, and in this way you can make better decisions which sellers to continue following and which not. So I hope you guys find all those upgrades powerful and useful. We've worked very hard for this new version. You can now enjoy the sales date range and see multiple data points. You can now filter those data points. You can see what suppliers your dropshippers are using. You have everything you need in one place. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next video.